The following is a wind advisory for the north central Alabama listening area for the following counties in Alabama: Jackson, Lawrence, Limestone, Madison, Marshall and Morgan, and Lincoln, Tennessee. Wind advisory in effect from 3 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Monday. The National Weather Service in Huntsville has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect from 3 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Monday. Timing and areas affected: all of North Alabama and southern Middle Tennessee starting tonight at 3 a.m. Central Standard Time and continuing through Monday evening at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. Winds. Sustained winds will increase tonight to around 25 miles per hour in most locations, with gusts between 35 and 40 miles per hour. Impacts. Winds of this magnitude will blow around unsecured lawn items and make driving difficult for high-profile vehicles. A wind advisory means that sustained wind speeds of at least 25 miles per hour, or gusts of at least 35 miles